So what's up mga kahombre? So good day to every one of us. Good day sir. So today I'm going to discuss all things that I have learned this midterm period from starting from how computer interprets data and how computer connects to another computer. So all things will not function properly if there is some part missing. A chair cannot be used with one leg only. So just like the computer, it will not function properly without its component that makes the whole system. So from the previous discussion, I learned a lot about the components of the computer system, such as the hardware and software. So hardware are those physical entities that enable the computer. There are four types of hardware, which include the input devices or those that sends data to the computer, and then the output devices that receives data from the computer, main memory or the storage unit that is used for porting and storing data files and objects. So lastly is the processing unit where all operations are being executed and take place. So uh, while a computer software is a set of data, instruction, and information that enables the computer. So imagine a world without technology, especially the computer, or a place where there is no improvement. All the invented things that we have now is very impossible. Why? It's because computer plays a very important role in discovering something. So the existence of different software applications enabling human to perform a multiple task in just a limited time is a big deal in our lives. So there are applications used for education, entertainment, job purposes, health purposes, etc. Say for example, the Grab a car application usually in our mobile phones provide the user an easy access to public transportation, thus avoiding the ease of every individual to wait for a long time in the road. So as I have said, computer plays a very important role and each serve a different purpose. So the central processing unit serve as the heart and brain of the computer and it also executes instructions that are provided to them. So the computers interpret data with big differences on how humans interpret the information being transmitted. However, both data interpreted by human and computers are stored into a single server. So any information and data sent by the input unit takes place in the CPU or the central processing unit. So the computer systems follows a set of instructions in an ordered manner to perform specific tasks successfully. So the information being executed is now transmitted and being stored in the computer main memory unit. So the use of random access memory or the RAM and the read-only memory ROM, though similar in some ways, still possess some differences. So RAM can only hold data temporarily, while ROM can hold data permanently and perform input and output tasks and hold programs and software instructions. So from the discussions on how computer connects to another computer, computer needs internet or a global wide area network that connects computer system across the world. So in our generation, internet uh, allows us to search for information that we usually use in our studies. So internet provides us a fast means to access for unlimited knowledge that books cannot provide to us. So on the other hand, network is a collection of computers connected via communications devices and transmission media. So the network provides connectivity between computers and devices within a restricted range where only one entity is controlled or authorized to manage the entire system. So reflecting much further on why do we really need a network, it is because it provides a fast and effective method for sharing and transferring files, for easy connectivity and fast communication as well as internet access sharing. So I also learned about different types of networks such as the local area network or the LAN, the metropolitan area network or the MAN, the wide area network. So LAN is a network that connects a computer system into a small geographic area such as the floor or nearby surrounding of a building. So a MAN on the other hand is a communication infrastructure that has been developed in and around the large cities. So lastly, WAN is another term for internet which connects two or more local area networks over a large geographic distance such as state, province, or a country. So lastly, I learned about client-server network. So a network in which there is a powerful computer called server which act as a hub in which all less powerful computer or the client are connected. So while on a peer-to-peer network, there is no central server, and it is configured to allow certain files and folders to be shared with everyone or with selected users. So bus network, on the other hand, is a network in which all nodes are connected to a single wire that has two endpoints. So ring network is a network in which messages travel through the entire ring and can theoretically be picked up by anyone on the ring. So however, the more computers connected can slow transmission speed and cause delays. So lastly is the star network, in which messages cannot be passed directly but must go through the central master or the controller. That's all, and thank you, and I hope you learned a lot from my discussion. Thank you. I'm out.